Welcome to Block of the Month by the Quilting Company. This lesson will be about the triangle border. We'll be covering paper foundation piecing. The corners of this border are made with paper foundation piecing. If you've never tried it, this small block gives you an opportunity to learn this technique. It's a little upside down and backwards, but I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. First, lay out all your cut fabrics. Prepare your paper template by extending the stitching lines into the seam allowance. Think of this as quilt by numbers. We'll start with patch number 1. Pin your patch in place on the back side of your paper foundation. Don't panic, you can do this. Then lay patch 2 in place. Flip that patch over, then turn everything over, and make sure that patch extends 1/4 of an inch past the stitching line. Next, with my machine set to a smaller stitch length, I'm going to stitch across this line. This may look like it's wrong, but trust the process. Now you may be wondering, Jenny, why do I need to set my machine to a smaller stitch length? Because it perforates the paper foundation, making it easier to remove when we're ready. Once sewn, fold the paper down on the stitching line. Trim away the excess. I have a fancy ruler that helps me easily trim an accurate 1/4 inch seam allowance. Then finger press the fabric into the right position and continue with the remaining patches until your block is complete. Now for the rest of the border. The remainder of the border is pieced triangles with half triangles on the ends. The one tricky bit here is the alignment. This is how to line it up when you piece the half triangles on the end. To piece the triangles together, line it up with this offset. And you're good to sew. No Weeds Here Block of the Month is brought to you by Hoffman Fabrics, made to inspire since 1924. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.